There was a song in Hollywood whose opening lines were, "Every man is fighting for a wagon full of gold." As an investor, it's always a good investment to hold because it tends to remain valuable. Here at Save to Invest, we're going to teach you about gold as an investment as part of your portfolio. By listening to the end of this video, we'll reveal a very simple and effective way to buy gold at reasonable prices. The story of gold is perhaps the history of all histories. Gold has been recognized as a hugely valued asset throughout history, sought after for its beauty and used as a form of currency. Unlike other metals, it never tarnishes. It's easily changed into various shapes. Perhaps the most iconic thing ever discovered was the mask of Agamemnon, the king that sent 1,000 ships to rescue Helen, the most beautiful woman on earth. Gold has always been important to human history due to its scarcity. The minting of gold coins around 550 BC laid the groundwork for our monetary system, but even earlier treasures dating back to 4000 BC have shown the enduring relevance of gold in relation to power and wealth. Even with the transition to paper money, the gold standard maintained a vital connection to gold. What sets gold apart is its rarity and scarcity, captivating people to this day. To put it into perspective, the production of steel in just 1 hour exceeds the amount of gold poured throughout recorded history. Additionally, gold serves various purposes. More than half of it is used for jewelry, around 25% for coins and bars, and it also plays a significant role in industry. From smartphones to electric cars, technology drives the demand for gold and other precious metals. Considering the multitude of investment options available in the digital age, why does gold retain its status as a foundational asset for astute investors? Why invest in gold? Investing in gold serves various purposes for individuals. Primarily, it is a means to preserve and safeguard wealth. To illustrate, if one had purchased an ounce of gold for $200 in late 1990 and held onto it while keeping $200 in cash, the value of the gold would have increased by about 650%. Conversely, the cash would have remained stagnant in value and even diminished due to inflation. Furthermore, gold is favored by many to mitigate risk and enhance portfolio diversity. While it is generally advised against solely investing in gold, as a well-balanced portfolio should encompass different types of investments, incorporating gold into one's portfolio is a common strategy. This is attributed to the negative correlation between the price of gold and the stock market. Often, when other markets decline, gold tends to rise. Consequently, gold is regarded as a safe haven investment, attracting investors during times of market instability when they seek refuge from riskier assets. Lastly, some investors are attracted to gold due to its potential for financial returns, particularly over an extended duration. In essence, purchasing gold and holding it until its price appreciates allows for subsequent selling at a hopefully profitable rate. How can you invest in gold? There are various ways to include gold and other precious metals in your investment portfolio. While gold used to be primarily available in the form of coins, bars, and jewelry, the advent of digital trading platforms has made it easier to access the precious metal markets. Gold coins come in different sizes and designs. Established precious metal dealers like the Royal Mint allow individuals to purchase coins in single quantities or tubes of multiple coins. Smaller coins can be a more affordable option for entry into the market compared to larger coins. Additionally, UK denomination gold bullion coins enjoy exemption from capital gains tax, which may be appealing to investors with larger portfolios. Investors can also consider gold bars. Though larger bars, often seen in films and media, may be costly and not accessible to many, there are also smaller 1 or 5 bars available at attractive price points, even for beginners. It is important to note that physical coins and bars require storage to protect them from theft or damage, unlike less tangible investments like stocks and shares. Some individuals choose to store their gold at home in a safe, while others opt for storage with a custodian such as the Royal Mint's vault. Storing with a custodian may involve a storage fee, but it could be less expensive than purchasing your own safe and insurance. The choice of storage method ultimately depends on your personal circumstances and preferences. Investing in digital gold such as DigiGold from the Royal Mint offers several advantages compared to physical ownership of coins or bars. The main difference is the lower costs associated with investing in digital gold. While physical gold requires purchasing the smallest available coin or bar, which can be costly, digital gold allows you to invest as little as $25 and sell it back whenever you choose. The pricing of gold, regardless of the form of investment, is based on the premium charged for the product over the gold price. Smaller gold products tend to have higher premiums due to the additional costs associated with manufacturing, packaging, and distribution. Therefore, buying a single 100G gold bar would be cheaper than buying 100 individual 1G gold bars, even though they contain the same amount of gold. Digital gold products have lower premiums compared to physical coins and bars, since the costs for storing and distributing them digitally are less for the retailer. When it comes to selling gold, the universal recognition and value of gold make it easy to sell anywhere in the world. The process typically involves weighing and authenticating the gold item and receiving a price that is a percentage of the current gold price. It is advisable to request prices from multiple dealers to ensure you obtain the best possible price. If you choose to store your gold with the Royal Mint in their vault, you have the option to sell it back at any time through your account. Alternatively, the Royal Mint also offers a sell gold service for buying back gold. The choice of where to sell your gold is yours. What about the moral or ethical issues with gold? Luckily, most gold comes from well-established mines with high ethical standards. It is your job to check the source of your gold and make sure that owning it is helping the miners, not exploiting them. If you love our content, please subscribe. With that note, till next time, we wish you well.